Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Ibn Sina bin Muhammad Rasid from Faculty of Science and Mathematics in University Pendidikan Sultan Idris.
My name is Umi Nadira binti Nazri. I'm from Faculty Science of Mathematics and from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris.
My name is Nur Arisha Dani binti Aslam from Faculty Science and Mathematics at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris.
Hello, my name is Warda Elisa Fong. I am also from the Faculty Science and Mathematics at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris.
Lastly, I'm Jaslani Denisius from Faculty of Science and Mathematics at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris.
And this is our supervisor, Dr. Nurihan binti Nasir from Faculty of Science and Mathematics at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris.
For the introduction, trigonometry is one of the syllabus in high school mathematics in Malaysia that is hard to be mastered by the students. Students keep getting confused about the details of trigonometry since there are too much information, units and the rules are complicated. Trigonometry channels apply all the education of trigonometry into one platform where students can learn and playing games about trigonometry. For the problem statement, first, the issue of confusion occurs among students in determining the difference between each trigonometric unit, sine, cos and tan. Second, a complex topic that fails to capture students' attention. Third is problems involving complicated and tedious problem solving. And lastly is students tend to avoid revisiting trigonometry after the exam. The objective of our innovation, first it helps the teacher in conducting teaching and learning. Second, it helps students in sharpening their cognitive thinking and cooperative skills. Third is enhancing student motivation to answer higher level questions collaboratively. And fourth is increase students' interest in keep revisiting trigonometry. The impacts of our innovation to our individuals is learning about trigonometry in new way, which is help them succeed to master the syllabus in high school. Next is for the society. Teachers can educate their students using media which is really suitable with our modern era. Parents can show the product to their children and give yearly exposure to them. Not to forget, with the games there, students can play with their friends while learning. And next is for the nation. For nation, our innovation helps in social and educational development.
Firstly, we go to the link of channel of Trigonometry Channel and then we press the start button. As you can see, this is the menu provided. We have Trigo ratio table, Trigo entry model, game time, and let's recap. Firstly, we go to the Trigo ratio and click Trigo ratio and you will be bring here to this screen. As you can see, this is how you can memorize the formula of tan, cos, and sin. It will be pronounced as tawa, so, ka. To see the formula further, click which one you want to see. For example, I will click the tawa part. And it will show you the tangent formula which is opposite over A and the diagram of triangle. To see the other formula, you just click back and click the ka or so. And here you will see the formula of cos and then you can explore for the other formula. Now let's explore for the Trigo ratio table. Click the Trigo ratio table and then you just click the start button. As you can see, it is show for the cos ratio. In textbook of trigonometry topic, they just show this Trigo ratio in the table. It is not so interested for student to memorize. From this screen, you have the instruction which is the emoji said click the degree to reveal the value. So just click the degree and you will get the answer of cos 0 degree equal to 1. The same goes to the other degree. We also have for the sin, just click the degree and it will reveal you the answer. And lastly, we also have for the tan ratio. For the last note, we have Trigo no entry model. And as usual, you just click the Trigo no entry model, click start as well, and you will see the Trigo no entry model. In this model, it will teach you how to get the value of the sine, tan or cos, whether it is positive value or negative value. As you can see, we have provided their own color, for example, sine for orange color and green for tan and blue for cos. In this subtopic, we have 4 quadrants. For the first quadrant, it shows 3 colors, which is sine, tan and cos. It means sine, tan, cos, when they sit at the first quadrant, their value will be positive. For more instruction, you just click the emoji and it said, "Hi, lucky you for clicking on me. I'm going to reveal a trick," and it asks us to tap there. And you will see the instruction further. The instruction say, when the colored button goes to the quarter with the wrong color, the value will be negative. For example, if sine, orange color, go to the orange color, the value will be positive. See more information about sine, tan and cos, just click on the color at first quadrant and it will show you which quadrant orange color go. It will be positive value or negative value. Same goes to the green and blue color.
Being directed to a website. Click the start button and you will see the channel menu before launching the game, which is contain a Trigo ratio table, and trigonometry model, game time, and let's recap. To play the game, use select the game time. Click the start button. The game, each player start with a token on the start square. Move your token forward according to the number rolled on the dice. If you land on a question square, you have to answer the question. A correct answer allows you to move forward to the next square. If incorrect answer force you to move 2 steps backward. And some squares provide short notes that increase your knowledge when you land on them. If you land in the pink square, winning the game, the first and reach the final square wins. The first player to reach the final square wins. If the player is 6 or fewer squares from the land, they must roll the exact number needed to reach the final square. If they roll a higher number, their token remains in place and they must wait for their next turn. Enjoy playing and may the best player win.
Click Start and in the menu, click Game Time and then click Start again. And this is the game that called Arrange the Object. As shown in this picture, the arrangement of the objects are irregular and disorganized. This issue can be addressed using the Arrange the Object game activity. Let us move on to the implementation steps for this activity. The first step is by dividing the students into 5 groups. Each group will receive a unique trigonometric question to solve collaboratively. The groups will engage in discussion and problem solving for 15 minutes. This is the type of the question that's going to be given to each group. Now, once the time is up, students will click on the object listed to find the same answer as them. For example, this is the answer. If a group struggles to solve their assigned question or provides an incorrect answer, objects containing the answer to the questions they have will be provided as guides to help solve them. Finally, students will arrange the objects based on the reference derived from their answers, ensuring everything is in the correct order. These steps concludes the Arrange the Object game activity. Thank you.
The last part of this media kit is the Let's Recap note. This note contains a summary of all the notes on the trigonometry topic found in this kit. It helps students review everything they have learned through the use of this media kit. To do that, students only need to press on the left or right navigating button. And you see the dot here, you press it. It says that if you click the image, you can get the full view. So click on the image and you get a greater view on the notes.